Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Everyday Guy here. It's time once again for another E.D.C pocket dump. So I figured I'd share with you, and let's get started. Alright, in my hand is the Swell water bottle. I carry this thing just like you see in my hand pretty much everywhere I go. It's never too far away. I really enjoy having water with me. On my right wrist is my paracord bracelet. Always seem to have one of those on me. On my left wrist is my gear watch. Back right pocket is my Swiss gear wallet. And there is the Robinson bit for my Leatherman and 5 feet of duct tape. Also clipped to my right side belt loop is my truck keys. Leatherman carabiner, little mini pry bar, and my Victorinox Classic SD. Clipped to the right side belt is my Galaxy S7 in the Defender Series case, using the belt clip as you see here. Let's see. Left pocket, I got a Bic pen, an El Cheapo flashlight from the local hardware store, 2 AAAs, 35 lumens, and it was $7. So I snatched that up. This, it's never too far away from me. If I need to carry it with me, I slide it in my back left pocket. Otherwise, it's close by. This is my Converse case with my glasses, and since it's sunny today, I'm wearing my shades. I always have either clears or shades on me. It's sort of what I need to see. Continuing on, fifth jean pocket, the change pocket, whatever. I carry a mini Bic. In that pocket is also my Leatherman. Currently I have the Wave, and I either have my Wave or I have the Leatherman Skeleton. Both great multi-tools. Also in my right pocket is my Gonzo folding knife. This one here is the G727. I also been rotating in between this one and this one. This is the G739. Both great knives. Both really fun to play with. On my head currently is a camouflage Jays hat. I've got to represent. And that, my friends, is my everyday carry for the month of May. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And please let me know what you guys are carrying. I'm always interested to hear what everyone else is carrying. I always read the comments. I always do my best to comment back on all the comments. So please inform me what you guys carry. I'm always curious. I'm the Everyday Guy. Thanks for watching, and I'm out.